In this video, we'll explore how the Raydium Volume Booster Bot helps increase token trading volume, boost token rankings on DEX platforms, and improve liquidity. Plus, we'll walk you through how to set up and use the bot, and share real feedback from our satisfied clients. The Raydium Volume Booster Bot is a powerful automated tool designed to increase the trading volume of your tokens on the Solana-based Raydium DEX. It does this by placing strategic buy and sell orders at specific intervals, making your token more visible and appealing to potential investors. Higher trading volume can help you rank better on platforms like Dexscreener, Dextools, and CoinMarketCap, which increases your project's visibility. The bot operates autonomously, allowing you to continuously increase your token's volume without manual intervention, and provides flexibility with customizable settings to adjust order sizes, delays, and more. Now, let's talk about the specific ways the Raydium Volume Booster Bot benefits your project. Increased trading volume. Higher volume creates an active market, making your token more attractive to potential investors. Improve rankings. Platforms like Dexscreener and Dextools prioritize tokens with high trading activity, helping your token appear in trending sections. Boost liquidity. More trading activity enhances liquidity, making it easier for investors to buy and sell your token without large price impacts. Setting up the Raydium Volume Booster Bot is simple. Follow these steps to get started. Download the bot. First, download the bot to your Mac or Windows PC and open the project folder in the terminal. Create wallets. Next, create multiple wallets to distribute the trading activity. This ensures more organic trading patterns. Transfer SOL. Fund your wallets by transferring SOL, which is necessary to pay for gas fees during trades. Configure settings. You can customize order sizes, delays between trades, and the number of wallets to use. The bot allows you to set random order sizes and random delays to make trading appear natural. Start the bot. Once your settings are configured, start the bot. It will begin placing buy and sell orders automatically across multiple wallets. Monitor performance. You can monitor your token's performance by checking the trading volume, liquidity, and order history directly on the platform. Stop the bot. When you want to stop the bot, simply press the * escape key. The bot will cease all trading activity safely. What our clients are saying.
Hey Ranga, I just want to thank you for all the work that you did. Like, for real, like, I know that in the beginning I was a little bit suspicious of you because, you know, like in crypto it's very hard to trust anyone. I've been scammed a lot of times, so like it's very good to see someone that actually does what he says and that actually, you know, works very well. And, you know, like since the beginning, your availability to speak with me and to make a voice call, you know, clarifying my
Hey Ranga, thank you for helping out. I got scammed first time trying to get volume bot. After so many struggles, I found your YouTube channel, messaged you, and then confirmed on Fiverr just to make sure it's all legit because too many fake profiles. Even on Fiverr, so many scammers. I got scammed through Fiverr. The guy went on Telegram, but you were nice. You showed me live, so I could see you are legit, that you actually have the bot.
That's how the Raydium Volume Booster Bot works. Whether you're a token creator looking to improve rankings or a trader aiming for more liquidity, this bot can give your project the boost it needs. Ready to get started? Contact Ranga Technologies for your custom bot. We also provide volume booster bots for Pump.Fun, Moonshot, and other networks like Base, Tron, and Ton.